If you're living in Japan or thinking about moving here, there's one thing you absolutely need to know: how to dispose of your garbage properly. Where and how am I supposed to throw this away? I tried taking out the trash and ended up with a warning notice stuck on it. To help you avoid these kinds of situations, here are 3 key points you should know. Let's get into it. Please note, garbage disposal rules can vary widely depending on a municipality. This video is meant to serve as a general example. Point 1. Know the main types of waste and how to dispose of them properly. First, we need to know the different categories of waste and how to properly sort and prepare them for collection. This is important as disposing of your garbage inappropriately will lead to your garbage not getting collected, fines, and in worst cases, accidents for waste collection workers. Several cities also have guides and pamphlets available on their websites on how to separate and dispose of garbage in Japan. They may also have these available in multiple languages, so make sure to check out your city or ward's website and look under the Living or Waste Management section. Physical copies are also available at ward offices or recyclable centers in multiple languages. Burnable waste or kanengomi, or moerugomi in Japanese, includes kitchen scraps, food waste, paper products, and household waste can fit into the designated trash bags. When preparing for collection, make sure to drain moisture and wrap food scraps in a bag. Plastic waste, or puragomi, includes plastic packaging like trays, plastic wrap, plastic containers, and other similar items with a pura symbol. These are collected separately from burnable waste in most cities. Make sure to rinse plastic containers to remove food or oil residue. Dirty plastic can contaminate recycling batches, so unwashed items might be treated as burnable waste instead. Non-burnable waste, or hunengomi in Japanese, includes metal and glass items, pottery and porcelain, leather and rubber goods, kitchen utensils, small appliances, and the like. These unburnable garbage items must fit into the designated bags. Make sure to remove dangerous parts like blades and wrap broken glass and newspaper with a warning label. Recyclables, or shigengomi in Japanese, include plastic bottles, glass bottles, aluminum cans, steel cans, paper, and cardboard. Cans and plastic bottles must be rinsed, and caps or labels must be removed and separated. Paper waste like newspapers, magazines, and cardboard must be tied with string in bundles. Oversized garbage, or sodaigomi in Japanese, refer to large furniture and home appliances. To dispose of these types of waste, you must call the city office or the ward's oversized garbage reception center, or the Sodaigomi Uketsuke Senta, to have it taken away. After booking, you'll receive a pickup date, fee information, and instructions on how to label your item. The fees are usually paid through purchasing stickers called Sodaigomi Shoriken and are available at convenience stores, supermarkets, or the city hall. Make sure the sticker is firmly placed and visible on the item. But be careful, as there is a limit to the waste size according to each city. Some appliances such as washing machines, refrigerators, TVs, and air conditioners are exempt from this and will not be accepted. To dispose of these types of appliances, they will need to be taken back to where it was sold, or you can have a recycling center pick it up to have it be resold. Hazardous waste, or yugaigomi in Japanese, include dry cell batteries, portable chargers, e-cigarettes, lighters, mercury thermometers, fluorescent bulbs, and the like. These must be separated from regular trash and labeled correctly. Each type of hazardous waste must be handled accordingly. For example, you must use up all the contents of spray cans and gas cartridges, and fluorescent bulbs must be wrapped in paper or bubble wrap to prevent breakage. For batteries, especially button or lithium-ion types, it is recommended to cover them with tape. Point 2. Check whether designated trash bags are required. Many Japanese municipalities require residents to use official, designated garbage bags to dispose of household waste. These bags are sold at convenience stores, supermarkets, or local government offices within the city or ward. Different colors or sizes of bags are used for different types of waste, and these bags often have the municipality's logo or name printed on them. Only garbage placed in official bags will be collected by the city's waste services, so it's important to research your local area and its garbage collection rules. Point 3. Check how and where to throw out your trash. Now that we know the types of waste and how to properly sort them, we can learn about when and where to dispose of them. Here in Japan, we also have what we call a garbage collection calendar, or a gomi shūshū kalenda. You usually get a printed copy when moving in, and it's also available online through your city or town hall's website. This calendar tells you what type of garbage is collected on which day, where and when to take it out, and other special instructions for hazardous or large waste disposal. In most areas, garbage is not collected directly from your doorstep. Instead, you're required to take it to a designated collection point. These points may have a net cover, a box-style container, or, if you're in an apartment building, there may be a shared garbage room inside the building. It's a good idea to check where and how to dispose of trash when you first move in, so there are no surprises later. Properly managing your garbage in Japan might seem complicated at first, but following the rules is essential for keeping your community clean and harmonious. By understanding the correct sorting methods, using the right bags, and paying attention to collection schedules, you can contribute positively to your neighborhood. Remember, when in doubt, always check your local municipality's guidelines. They're there to help. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Japan life tips, and share your own experiences or questions in the comments. We'd love to hear how garbage disposal works in your area of Japan.